In this section we're going to talk about knife maintenance, sharpening and polishing the edge of your wood carving knife. Typically the only time that we would be sharpening this knife is if we've dropped it by accident or we've chipped an edge while we were carving a piece of wood. I've got here as a diamond stone. I like to use a diamond stone versus a Arkansas stone. This has a tendency to, in my opinion, sharpen a little bit easier. This is a medium to a fine grit stone. I've got some honing oil here that we'll apply to the surface, and then we'll sharpen the knife. And I'm going to show you a real easy way to sharpen your wood carving knife. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to apply a couple drops of oil to it. It's out of the way. And you'll notice that these wood carving knives have no bevel to them. They're just a straight grind on both sides. You make a perfect V. When we sharpen this, I'll show you how to sharpen that. I'm just going to spread this oil around the stone a little bit and cover the surface where my knife will be riding. Wipe that off. Okay, so when we sharpen, this is how I was taught by a professional wood carver, and it's never let me down, so I'm going to show you how to do it. What you want to do is you take your knife and you want to lay it flat on the stone. I'm applying my finger there to keep it nice and level. Typically what I'll do is I'll put two fingers right on the edge of the blade, so I'm touching the blade and I'm touching the stone. When I go to sharpen this, I'm not going to pick it up any. I'm just going to lay it flat. I'm going to work up and down, and as I'm doing that, I'm working my way to the back side of the stone. Now, depending upon how bad the edge of your knife is, you may have to do this several passes. There again, I've got it held flat against the stone, the cutting surface. Work my way across. And I want to keep doing that until I start to see a nice wire edge form along the side there. And you'll want to try to get some type of light source there so you can see it. It'll be really thin. Once I've gotten that wire edge, I'm going to turn it over, I'm going to apply my fingers to it again, and I'm going to go back the other way. I'm aligning that edge back up again. Sharpening one side, flip it over, sharpen the other. And I'll just keep repeating those steps until I've got that wire edge removed off there. You can test it. Usually I just test it on my fingernail, let it sit there. If it doesn't slide off my fingernail, it's nice and sharp. Okay, that's good and sharp. So move this stone out of the way. Then what I have here is what we call a strop. Basically what this is just a board with a piece of leather on it. I've taken some polishing compound and I've rubbed it over that piece of leather. I've used this thing for quite a while to get a nice buildup of material. So what I want to do is I want to lay this knife on there nice and flat. So I want to lay it right on that bevel and just drag it across the strop. You've seen the barbers, the old-time barbers with their straight razors and a leather strop. This is the same principle. And I'm just going to keep doing that. This is going to polish that edge, fine-tune it for you, make it razor sharp again. And I'll do that about a dozen times or so, and then I'll come back the other way. Make sure when you travel along this, when you get to the end, pick it up. Don't travel along here and then start rolling that knife up. When you do that, it's going to round off the edge of the knife. You don't want that, because then you've got to go back and put it back on the stone again and re-sharpen it. It actually will ruin the blade. So drag it down, pick it up. Drag it down, pick it up. What we'll do is we'll test it again. Yeah, nice and sharp. That's an easy way to learn how to sharpen your knives. It's very inexpensive instead of purchasing a large sharpening system. Once you get comfortable with that, carving or sharpening by hand, and you want to sharpen with power, You have to kind of learn how to sharpen all over again using high speed. There are some low speed sharpening systems. The one I use is a high speed sharpening system, razor sharp. Takes a very light touch, very fast. You don't have to spend a lot of time if you've damaged your knife. You don't have to spend a lot of time doing that. But for the money, first starting out, leather strop, diamond stone. If you have an Arkansas stone, you can use that as well. Just make sure you get some honing oil there. That'll really help you. Helps that get rid of that metal material off the stone. Practice, practice, practice. If you got some old pocket knives, practice with those. Those have a bevel on them, so just make sure you hold it at a slight angle there and match the bevel. Practice sharpening. Once you get that down, you have no problems maintaining the edges on your tools.